Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Have you ever dreamed of investing your retirement savings directly into real estate? Well, with a self-directed IRA or SDIRA, that dream can become a reality. Unlike traditional IRAs, an SDIRA empowers you to choose from a much wider range of assets, including physical properties. It's a fantastic strategy for diversifying your retirement portfolio, moving beyond just stocks and bonds, and potentially building wealth through tangible assets like real estate. This opens up a whole new world of investment possibilities for your future. So, why consider putting real estate into your SDIRA? One of the biggest advantages is the tax treatment. Your rental income and any profits from selling the property can grow tax-deferred in a traditional SDIRA or completely tax-free if it's a Roth SDIRA. This provides incredible long-term growth potential. Plus, adding real estate truly diversifies your retirement savings, giving you a tangible asset that can help protect your wealth against market volatility and inflation over time. How does this unique process actually work? First, you'll need to open a self-directed IRA with a specialized custodian. They are experts in holding alternative assets and will help facilitate your real estate transactions. Once your SDIRA is funded, all money for the property purchase and any ongoing expenses must come directly from this account. Importantly, the property itself will be titled in the name of your IRA, ensuring compliance and tax advantages for your investment. While powerful, SDIRA come with very strict rules, especially regarding real estate. The most critical rule is avoiding self-dealing. This means you or immediate family members cannot personally benefit from the property right now. You can't live in it, use it for personal vacations, or fix it up yourself. Also, every single expense from property taxes to repairs must be paid directly from your IRA account. It's crucial to understand these rules to maintain your IRA's tax-advantaged status. Before diving in, there are a few important considerations. Always perform extensive due diligence on any property you're considering. Remember, real estate isn't a liquid asset, so it's not as easy to sell quickly if you need cash. Most importantly, consult with professionals. A financial advisor specializing in SDIRA and a tax professional familiar with these rules can help you navigate the complexities and ensure this strategy aligns with your overall financial goals. This is a big step, so get the right advice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.